This session, I am going to be telling you how to actually create a C# script inside Unity. Firstly, we have an assets folder here. You can click on the assets folder and choose the assets folder. Now, to keep everything organized and keep all the scripts inside one folder, what we are going to do here is we are going to create a folder inside this assets folder. Okay, we have to right click here and then click on this create, and then you need to choose folder option here. We don't want it to be new folder, so we will just rename it as scripts. Okay, so now let's open this scripts folder. Okay, double click on the scripts folder. So how to create a script now inside the scripts folder? It's very simple. Just have to right click here with your mouse and then go to create again. Last time when we created a folder, we chose folder option. Okay, but this time we are going to create a script. So we have to choose C# script. So just click on the C# script. Okay. And now you need to rename it. By default, the name of the script will be new behavior script, but we don't want it that way because we want to rename the script now. So let's rename it as my first script. Okay, your script is created now. And now let's just click on the script to open it. Good evening, guys. My name is Rohan Vasudev. In the previous session, we saw how to create a C# script in Unity. As we all can see here, this class in Unity is blueprint for your object. Now, all the scripts in Unity will always start with a class declaration, and this class is automatically created when you create a C# script inside Unity. The name of the class, as we all can see here, my first script, will be always same as the name of your script. When we created a script last time, the name of the script that we kept was my first script. So will be the name of the class. So it will always be same. What is system.collections, system.collections or generic and Unity engine? Basically, these are all namespace, which is a collection of classes in Unity. The mono behavior class here, including all other core Unity features, are in Unity engine namespace. Okay, so Unity engine basically will have all the Unity core features and mono behavior class as well. Now, generally, when you create a script, there are 5 important aspects in the script. So what are these aspects? Firstly, this public keyword, then comes your class. The fourth is the name of the script or the name of the class. Then comes the colon and the mono behavior. So let's first understand what is public here. For instance, say suppose there are 2 scripts and you want one script to interact with the another script. By making anything public means it is accessible by another script also. So this particular class will be accessible by other class or by another Unity script as well. Now we all can see mono behavior here. What is mono behavior? Mono behavior is a base class for all the scripts basically. And this colon means it inherits from. It simply means, okay, all the scripts that we create in Unity C# are inherited from mono behavior class here. In the next session, I'll be telling you what are these functions, which is void start and void update here. Okay, these are also automatically created when we create a Unity C# script. Thank you for the session. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much. Hi guys, my name is Rohan Vasudev. In this session, we are going to see what is void start and void update. Let's see what is this void first. Void is the return type. So in this case, the start function here created, it's not returning anything. So start function is basically called once the frame of the scene is created. One frame is just one still image. All these images together in rapid succession will create a motion for the game. Start is called once the first frame of the game is created. It is only executed if the script is enabled. So if the script is not enabled, if it is disabled, then the start function won't get executed at all. It is also called once in life cycle of the C# script. So there is a life cycle for Unity script. So start function will be called only once in the life cycle. What is start function used for? Start function is used for initializing objects properties or variable. So any variable you want to initialize or any object property you want to initialize, you can always initialize inside the start functions. Let's talk about update function here. So again, we have void here, which is a return type for the update function. So this update function is not going to return anything. Update function is called only after the start function has executed. Update function runs every frame of the game or the scene. Okay, so it will be called every frame. Execution of the update function depends on the frame rate of the game. Frame rate simply means that how many frames are generally created or called every 60 seconds or so. Generally what happens here is the higher the frame rate of the game, the time interval between the update function will be low. Update function, the calling of an update function to completely depends on the frame rate of your game. That's it, guys. Thank you for the session.